What is up, guys? Cheap Survival coming back at you again today. Got a little review here of the Premium Spark Multi-Tool Lighter. It is windproof, it has a lighter, a knife, corkscrew, and a bottle opener. And as you can see, I got it for $4 on sale. I'll show you a little pause and read that if you want. Made in China, of course. Honestly, what isn't these days? Let's open this up with my Mora. Trying to avoid cutting myself here. Plastic isn't want to cut very well. First cut went good. Okay, there we go. Now pop it out, and here we go. As we can see, got the bottle opener, corkscrew, and then the little knife. Looks like a very good quality knife. I suppose on a pinch it would do. Probably sharpen it up. Now, where is it? Oh, there it is. So a torch lighter. I love these because when I'm doing paracord projects, it makes it a whole lot easier. Yeah, pick this up. Same time I picked up my Zippo. Love that. Saw this on sale. Figured, what the heck, might as well. Pretty cool little lighter. Got a little blade, not too good blade, but probably sharpen it up would be decent. Little bottle opener, corkscrew. Pretty nice little blade for $4. So just wanted to share that with you. I think really didn't have much specs on it as to we got refilling valve, flame adjuster. Probably raise up the flame. I love those working with paracord because it makes it a whole lot easier. But just wanted to share this quick little video with you of this new purchase I got. Check out your local Walmart. They might have one. But this has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out.